So in this video, we'll learn how to use the distributive property. So a distributive property looks more or less like this. So you'll have maybe a number and a parentheses and maybe an algebraic expression. So there are various ways to solve this. I'll show you two methods. So the first method is to distribute the number outside with the numbers inside. So we see a 3. Whenever you see any variable without a number in front of it, it's always 1. So you can treat that as 1x. So I'll make a small change here. Let's put a 1. So now we have this set of numbers, right? So what is 2 times 1? That's 2. And then, so we are multiplying just the numbers. So we've got 2 times 1. And then after the 2, we have the x. And then we have a plus sign right here. We'll put that. And then we have 2 times 3, which gives you 6. So that would be your answer. Let's try another one. So if I put another question. So let's say we have 3 outside. And we have maybe x minus 5. And let's put a number in front of the x, maybe a 2x. So in this case, we'll multiply these two, and we'll multiply these two. So we'll get 3 times 2, which is 6. And then we have the x, and then a minus, and then 3 times 5, which is 15. So in the case of if you see a negative outside like this just means it's a negative 1. You can always add the ones as needed if you want to and multiply this way. So what's negative 1 times 1? So you're trying to solve this. This is equal to negative 1. So your answer would be negative x, and negative 1 times 3 is minus 3. So that would be your answer. You can use a calculator to your advantage. You can find one online, or you can use just a physical calculator. So good luck. That's the distributive property. So if you have variables, do the same. In variables, we just write these two as they are. So a times x will become ax, and a times y becomes ay.